DIY home remedies, such as this homemade flu-preventing elixir, can help ward off colds and the flu, as well as helping you recover from being sick. This remedy does not taste good, but it is bearable. We are certain that it will help prevent you from catching the cold or flu, and if you do get one, it will help you to recover faster. This homemade remedy is packed with amazing health properties. Drink it twice a day for 2 or 3 days and your body will start to heal naturally. Recently, some members of my family tested positive for coronavirus. Thankfully, with a combination of rest, pain relief, vitamin C and this magical elixir, everybody made a full recovery. So how do you make it? Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, juice of 1 ripe lemon, 1 inch of fresh ginger, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 pinch of ground chili peppers, 4 ounces of green tea. Instructions: 1. Make the green tea and set it aside. Allow it to steep for 5 minutes. 2. Chop or grate the rest of the ingredients and add them to the green tea. 3. Mix well and let them sit in the tea for 5 minutes. 4. Strain the mixture to remove the pulp. 5. Drink twice daily for 2 to 3 days. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Stay healthy and we'll see you next time.